Okay, so now we're going to focus on our dark rocks. You're going to take your dark color, bring it over to the right, and lightly shade that again so you can see the names of the rocks. Now, once you've done that, what I want you to do is take your black crayon, and what you'll notice is that on the left side of the chart, if you look at this bottom, you will notice that the potassium stays to the left side. So if you have a rock that contains potassium or quartz, you know that you have a felsic igneous rock. Now, if you take a look on the right side of the chart, you will see that pyroxene stays to the right side of the chart, and olivine stays to the right side of the chart. So if you are given a Regents level question and they tell you that the rock has pyroxene or olivine, you're going to stay to the right. You know you have a mafic rock. If your rock contains potassium or quartz, you're going to stay to the left, and you know you have a felsic igneous rock. Now, once you've figured out your left and right, okay, you then have to start thinking of the top and the bottom of the chart. Now, this top and this bottom of the chart is separated based on the environment in which the rock was formed. So if it's intrusive, that means it formed underground. If it's extrusive, that's above ground. So if it's an intrusive igneous rock, that means it is formed by molten material called magma. If it's extrusive, it's molten material formed by lava. If it's extrusive, it cooled very fast. And because of that, it's going to have small crystals or no crystals. So your rocks that cooled quickly, your extrusive rocks, if you take a look down here and you look at the texture, you will notice that it doesn't have crystals, non-crystalline. It's going to have a glassy texture, or it's going to have a vesicular texture. Now, vesicular is a word you're going to hear a lot. Vesicular just means that it has gas pockets. I also want you to make a note that whenever you hear fine, fine means fast. Now, on a Regents question, fast could be interchangeable with quickly or rapidly, so know that they can ask it anyway. Okay, let's go into our intrusive rocks, which were formed by magma. Those cooled slowly, and you're going to have large crystals. So make a note of that, put that on your reference tables. And again, that splits our chart kind of in half. So if I want to combine these two concepts, let's just say I have a light colored, coarse grained igneous rock. So I have a light colored, coarse grained, where they meet, I have granite. What if I have a coarse grained rock that contains pyroxene and olivine? So I know that pyroxene and olivine is telling me that I have a mafic rock. If it's coarse grained, chances are I have gabbro. Okay, and the same thing with the top. They could use the texture, they could use crystal size or grain size, any of those different things to help you get the answer. Okay, so hopefully this helps. Again, you want to watch this video before you start the questions that were assigned.